either we could work on the Madzi flip, which I need to turn into an original fully. So we could do that, which for now sounds like this. Let me see to find it. Or I actually have another track that I need to finish that I'm also going to show you. So we're going to have A and B, and I'm going to just ask you which one we should work on. So this is the first one that we could work on. You've heard this before. This is the All I Wanna flip. We could either work on this or we work on this other thing. So that's that, or we work on this, which is like more old school Mo Falk sound. Both need to be finished. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of second ones in the chat. This one is surprisingly un-high-endy. Old school Mo Falk, second, flip a coin. Okay, let's flip a coin, but I think we're probably gonna do second. Okay, wait, so we need to say heads. Heads is okay, heads is first, tails is second. Okay, well, we do the second. It's confirmed. Let's go. But you know what I'm going to do? So I'm actually going to open the FL Studio beta. No, I'm not going to do it in the beta because this one I might not finish in that beta. Dude, you know what is the actual hero of my life? The FL Studio beta with more than 125 channels. Dude, I did the Friday night remix I did has over 200 channels and I just indulged. I was just so happy. Like, thank you. Thank you, FL Studio. Thank you, Image Line. You made my actual dream come true. It was so good. I wonder actually if there's a new version. FL Studio Beta. Let's see what it is. Beta archives. No, let's see what the newest version is. So this one is from 13th March. There's probably a newer version right now. Let's see. FL Studio. May 22nd. See, there's a new one. Okay. So, let's see. I don't have required file permissions. I need to log in here. We have, how do I find the other beta tests? Thought. Okay, there we go. Okay, so welcome to FL Studio 26. Dude, 22nd of May. This is pretty new. Okay, let's see what they updated. Because I'm curious what they fixed, because there was some bugs I noticed. Let me zoom in a bit. So, FL Studio 25 relates to the year, blah, blah. Okay, this is not it. Okay, known issues. Emphasis will run in trial mode until we add it to the plugin editor holder accounts. FL Studio Mobile Rack does not scale with FL Studio settings. FL Studio Mobile may freeze when opened during the test. Yeah, no shit, FL Studio Mobile is bad. Okay, what's new? Added read sample root node to be deselected to correct pitch issues when root node metadata is incorrect. Okay, export better handling of duplicate sample names when exporting to zip. FL Studio Remote, don't care. Deleting mixer and playlist tracks can now be undone. Whoa, that's so good. Because I was struggling with that. News panel, we don't care. Gopher, a large language model based on the manual knowledge base. No way! Ask questions about FL Studio and music production and get natural language answers. That's the most useless thing ever. Do we need AI? I think we do. But we only make music software. Well, we need AI. We need it anyways. Not going to be useful at all. But we need the shareholders' money to go up. Work on fucking freezing. Don't build AI into everything. God fucking damn it. I'm salty. It is what it is. I wonder if it's a local LLM. As with any AI, Gopher can give you incorrect answers and so I guess it needs internet access, right? Oh my god, it's actually just a ChatGPT clone, I think. God damn it. Okay, I wonder... we understand you may have creative concerns. In short, no. Gopher has no access to anything you create in FL Studio. However, you are asking the right questions, so let's take a moment. How do ImageLine FL Studio use your data? I don't care. Gopher does not scrape your data. It functions solely as a text-based chat system hosted externally. Hosted externally, bro! What is it? Is it OpenAI? Is it Anthropic? What is it? With the same level of access as a standard web page. It's just a clone of the ChatGPT. Gopher's an FL Studio oriented language model that accesses... Dude, you know what I want to do? I kind of want to try it and just see if I can get it to answer things that are not FL Studio related. Like, will it answer things like a regular... And then, is there going to be a rate limit? Can I just use that to answer my coding questions? Bro. I think I need to get this and try it out. What? Everyone who creates a ticket is required to state their issue to Gopher? What? Bro, that's scuffed. Anyways. What else is new? Mastering. The mastering window can now be update previews in real time based on parameter changes. Who masters like this? Mixer. Dynamic mixer tracks. Okay, we've added this already. Add and delete mixer tracks as needed. Insert mixer menu opens, insert one track, insert mixer tracks, or add tracks from a preset list. Dude, this is so cool. Browser, folders. Now show sample content preview for folders in the tab menu columns view. Yeah, I don't use that. Audio clips, clip properties allow per clip stretch. No! Wait, no, we don't like that. No, we don't like that because, oh, that's weird. Okay, wait. Audio clips allow per clip stretch, pitch, and reverse controls. Pitch controls per sample access by Alt Command double clicking. Alt Command double clicking an audio clip instance.
Why? Haven't they added their own waveform VST yet is the important question.
Right? They should make an audio visualizer that's actually good and built in. I would really like a mini-meters, but it's built in. Audio clips additional per clip disabled. Declicking option for fade in and fade out envelopes. I'd have never used the clip menu, I think. Channel rack, colorful, channel controls. Channel rack. What's the channel rack? Channel rack menu item to change the color of channel controls, such as advanced looping options to match the channel button. Okay, I don't know what channel rack is actually. New plugins, emphasis, a multi-stage mastering compressor. That's cool. FL Studio mobile rack. Patcher, new VFX script effect plugin. If it's not visible, check browser plugin installed effects for the VFX script. VFX script is kind of cool. I like that. The output can be made dependent on previous states. Dude, that's so good. Instead of changing only as a direct function of the input. That's so good. You can... We now have plug data. We have plug data with Python. Note that programming skills are not required to use VFX script, as there's a growing selection of pre-made presets to choose from. User presets are shared in a VFX scripting forum. Dude, what if people build? Have they built games? Bro, who's gonna be first to make a game with this? Am I gonna be it? I'm gonna make a compiler that compiles my JavaScript serve engine to VFX script, bro. That would be the funniest shit ever. Okay, that's really cool. We gotta check that out as well. So 2 things to check out. Plugins updated. We don't care. Granulizers now full plugin can be used in that's big. Slicers now full plugin can be used inside Patcher. That's also big. That's really cool. We can now use slicers so we can make like drum racks and shit with Patcher. Oh, that's really good. Okay. 24.299 beta. Wait, is that the beta 6 that we're on right now? Yeah, okay. Wait, no. Added new simpler default toolbar preset. Added an item to create a new mixer track to the track mode, audio track, and menu playlist. Crash reports now include most recent undo history steps. Create a new mixer track when a generated preset is dropped. The name of a third-party plugin in the message shown when it fails to save or load. The empty track space in the mixer now stands out a bit more. The playlist audio clip property window no longer prevents using the program. The playlist audio clip property. Okay, I didn't know that. Use Metal API for the user interface on Apple Silicon. Okay. Bass drum now has a vertical UI. Okay, we gotta check bass drum. Drum Max added support for dynamic mixer tracks. Emphasis, Poison. Piano roll scripting added the set time selection method. Media scripting added function to check how many mixer tracks exist. Fixes. Okay, this we don't care about. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it, ladies and gents. Let's test it. I just need to download it. Installers, FL Studio. Here we go. So I wonder if I can install it like alongside the other beta I already have. Public beta 6. Now you can produce music in 444 hertz. Bro, you know what? It's gonna refresh faster than freaking my bass notes. Still waiting for the option to do feedback loops. Can you not do that? I think they're probably doing, like, not allowing that on purpose. If you really need that, you can always use
They forgot the production. Try making a video game in FL.
Bro, actually, that would be so fun. There's people that have done it with Patcher before, but it's not really good. But now with the VFX script, like, you might be able to do cool shit. I wonder how it works. I wish to see a more voice delay, real-time strum effect.
People are playing Mario 64 in the FL browser background, LMAO.
Yeah, I mean, you can play Surf. You can play my website in the FL Studio background right now. Because you can set any website. Actually, I don't know if it works. Just join TLDR. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna install it right now. And then let's see how that goes. There's a scripting thing now. Wait, what was the other thing I wanted to check? PST2, next, install, next. Okay. This is gonna take a while, I guess. You know what we can do in the meantime? Okay, we have FL installed now. So let's see. FL Studio Beta. Let's see, ladies and gents. Okay, what was the other thing? The Patcher scripting thing, right? So, if we... Okay, I do need to have the whole screen on for this. If we do this again now, so we add the VFX plugin. VFX. Wait, it doesn't do Oh, there it is, VFX script. Okay. Let's do this. Account suspended incoming. Bro, they're sponsoring me. They wouldn't dare. Okay, let's put that... Actually, I don't need it here. I just need it here. What do you mean? Okay, there we go. Alright, so we have it now. VFX script. Dude. It's actually here. API reference. Global variance. The thing is, I don't really know how to write Python. But that's really cool. On trigger, on release, on tick. Create dialogue. Wait. Create dialogue? Hold up. Okay. I need the API reference to open actually. Compile. Okay, wait. Create dialogue is not defined. But it's right here. Okay, we need the reference for piano roll scripting. Okay, you know what? Here it comes. I'm gonna use it unironically. Give me a link to docs for piano roll scripting on creating a script dialogue. Come on. I just want to see how far I can push things. Like, this is fun. This is fun. No, why you go away? Ew, you can have bright mode? God damn. Okay, okay. When you click on the link, it gives you... It's a 404. You know what? Coding is hard. Coding is hard. It is true. Coding is hard. Okay, piano. Blah, 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 blah. If you want to edit or script, put them in user data, piano roll scripts, PyScript, Go Studio Browser Library, example scripts. Okay, here we go. Okay, wait. Marker script dialog, title description. Dude, no way. Oh god, it doesn't work. It probably needs like be strings, right? Compile. Not defined. Why? Script dialog. Wait, there's presets. Harmonize. Okay. Let's see how they do it. And then return the form. Wait, if I run this, what happens? Oh wait, it creates the user interface here. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, so actually, you don't have free control. You can only add get input value, get input checkbox, add input text, add inputs combo, add input knob, add input knob, add input knob. Okay, so you actually can't display anything you want. Can you zoom in? The annoying thing is it doesn't work how I expected it to. You can't actually code anything. Annoying. Okay, it is what it is. It's not great. We are just gonna open, but we're not gonna use the beta now. Fuck that. We're gonna use regular FL. I don't want things breaking. Okay.